Those little black dots on your nose, the ones you've tried to squeeze, scrub, and cover up for years. Tonight, we remove them. All of them. For good. I know what it feels like to wake up, walk to the mirror, and just sigh. You wash your face every single day. You've tried the cleansers, the toners, the expensive serums your favorite influencers swore by. And yet, the blackheads come back. The breakouts keep appearing. And slowly, it stops feeling like a skin problem. It starts feeling like a you problem. It's not. I've been there, standing under bathroom lights, examining every pore, every bump, every dark spot, feeling embarrassed by your own face. And nobody talks about how exhausting that actually is. But here's what I wish someone had told me earlier. Your skin isn't broken. It's just not getting the right treatment, in the right order, with the right intention. And tonight, we fix that together. Pore explanation. Why this happens. Let's talk about what's actually going on inside your pores. Because once you understand this, everything changes. Your skin produces something called sebum. It's a natural oil, and it's not your enemy. It's actually trying to protect you. But when that sebum mixes with dead skin cells, pollution, and bacteria sitting on the surface of your face, it gets trapped inside your pore. When that trapped mixture is exposed to air, it oxidizes. It turns dark. And that right there is your blackhead. Whiteheads? Same thing. But the pore is closed, so it stays white. Cystic acne? That's when bacteria goes deeper, causes inflammation, and your immune system starts fighting back, which is why it swells, hurts, and leaves marks. None of this is about being dirty. Some people just produce more sebum. Some people have naturally larger pores. Some people live in humid climates, like so many of us, where sweat and oil combine constantly. You didn't cause this, but you can treat it common mistakes, pattern interrupti. But before we get into the routine, I need to stop you right here. Because most people are unknowingly making their skin worse every single day. And if you're doing any of these things, this is the moment to stop. Mistake number 1. You're overwashing your face. Washing twice a day is perfect. 3, 4 times, you're stripping your skin's natural barrier. And when that barrier breaks down, your skin panics and produces even more oil to compensate. More oil, more blackheads. It's a cycle. Mistake number 2, you're squeezing your blackheads with your bare fingers. I know it's so satisfying, but pressing unclean fingernails into your pores pushes bacteria deeper into the skin, causes scarring, and permanently stretches the pore. This is where most people actually destroy their skin, right at this step. Mistake number 3, you're skipping moisturizer because your skin feels oily. This one breaks my heart every time. Oily skin still needs hydration. When your skin is dehydrated, it overproduces oil to compensate. Moisturizer doesn't make you more oily, it balances you. Okay, now that we've cleared that up, let's rebuild your skin the right way. At Transformance, by the time you finish this routine tonight, and I mean really follow every step, your skin is going to feel different. Not just look different. Feel different. Softer and lighter, like you've just lifted something off your face. Your pores will look visibly smaller. The blackheads on your nose, your chin, your forehead. They'll be loosened, lifted, and cleared. Your complexion will look more even, more calm, more yours. This isn't a promise I make lightly. This is the exact process that works, when done correctly, consistently, and gently. Let's begin. Step by step round. Main content. Step 1. The steam open before we touch a single product. We prepare. Fill a bowl with hot water, lean over it, drape a towel over your head, and let that warm steam wrap around your face for 5 to 7 minutes. Feel that? That gentle heat softening everything? That's your pores opening, relaxing. Letting go. The steam loosens the oxidized sebum sitting inside each pore, making everything that comes next twice as effective. This is the step most skincare videos skip, and it's the one that makes the biggest difference. Don't rush this. This is your moment of stillness before the treatment begins. 6 bet. Top toe, double cleanse. Now we cleanse, but not once, twice. And yes, there's a reason. First cleanse, oil-based cleanser. Apply it to dry skin. Massage it in slow circular motions across your entire face, forehead, nose, chin, cheeks. You'll feel it breaking down sunscreen, makeup, pollution, and the day's sebum buildup. 30 seconds, slow circles. Let the oil dissolve the oil, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Second cleanse. Gentle water-based cleanser. Now apply your foam or gel cleanser to damp skin. This one cleans deeper. It removes bacteria, sweat, anything the oil cleanser left behind. The combination of both leaves your skin genuinely, deeply clean, without stripping it. This is the foundation of everything. Pat dry with a clean towel. Never rub. Shh. Toe. Step 3. Chemical exfoliation. This is where the real transformation begins. Apply a BHA exfoliant salicylic acid, 2%, to your skin using a cotton pad or your fingertips. Focus on your nose, chin, and forehead, anywhere you feel congestion. Why BHA specifically? Because unlike physical scrubs that scratch the surface, salicylic acid is oil-soluble. It actually goes inside the pore, dissolves the buildup, and lifts it out from within. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't rinse. You might feel a very mild tingling. That's normal. That's it working. Step 4. Blackhead Exfoliation Mask. Now, the moment everyone came for, apply a clay-based charcoal mask to the areas with the most congestion. A thick, even layer, you should barely be able to see your skin beneath it. Activated charcoal works like a magnet. As it dries, it pulls oxidized sebum, dirt, and impurities upward, out of the pore and into the mask. When you remove it, you're removing everything trapped inside. Leave it on for 15 minutes. As it dries, you'll feel it tighten. Slightly pulling. That pulling sensation? That's the extraction happening. Completely hands-free. No squeezing. No scarring. No damage. Rinse off with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions. Then splash cold water on your face to close the pores back down. Look at your skin now. Look at it. Shh. Step 5. Serum Plus. Moisturize your skin has just been through deep work. Now we heal it. Apply a niacinamide serum first. This ingredient reduces redness, tightens pores, regulates oil production, and fades dark spots. 2 to 3 drops, press it gently into your skin with your palms. Then, moisturizer. A lightweight, non-comedogenic formula. Gel-based if your skin is oily. Cream-based if you tend toward dryness. Seal everything in. Give your skin what it just worked so hard for. Thank you for watching.